Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige P. In today's look, I'm going to show you how to get this nice double cut crease eye look. Simple and easy. Make sure you're already subscribed to my channel and turn on that notification. So yeah, let's get started in today's makeup look. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and take my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up under my brow and take it all the way down to my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go into my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm going to go ahead and set that whole entire lid. Then I'm going to go into my masquerade palette from the Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that nice shade here. But first, you guys know I'm going to go ahead and take my tape just to have a nice clean cut straight line. And I'm going to take the shade called Zulu from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take it all the way down and also a little bit above my crease. The other shade I'm going to take is called Ade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to go ahead and tap it on first and then blend it out. This shade is a second transition shade, and it's a little bit more deeper. Afterwards, I'm going to go back into my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that lid so that it have a nice clean straight line. Then I'm going to go back into that palette, and I'm going to take this nice shimmer orange shade. It's so pretty, and it's called Zero. If I could pronounce that properly, I would put the name shade on the screen, but it's really shimmer and really nice for the fall look. And I'm going to go ahead and put it all over my eyelid. So to get that double cut crease, I'm going to go into the James Charles palette. I'm going to take that nice black shade. First, I'm going to go ahead and make a line, and then I'm going to go ahead and blow it out with a other brush. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brow with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony. Then I'm going to go into my Benefit. This is a nice, very brown shade, and this is just to make your brow look a little bit much nicer. And you see how that looks, that clean cut line when you put the tape on, really nice. Then I'm going to go into my Only by Girl Bang mascara. And then I'm going to take my drugstore lashes and just put it on. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the black shade that I put on this side to the bottom, and this is just to make both of them blend together. And then I'm going to smoke it out with a brown shade underneath the black. So I'm going to go ahead and take a highlight shade, and I'm going to put it onto the brow bone, and I'm also going to take it right into the inner corner just to get that nice highlight look. And this is it, guys, for the eye look. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, I do upload every day, Monday through Friday. Don't forget to check me out and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I love you guys, and I will definitely see you again tomorrow in my next video. Bye.